Yo, say, Makase doing the same thing the same way and expecting different results, you know. A formula for madness. Enti eto de bia, say ultimate thinking outside the box. Enti ebet member say outside the box thinking no be na omo ye. Because omo firase aya kosoro anyeye omo firase aya kosoro ebia yeye. Enti se ne mpanimfo omo abaye omo adwen se omo dibe omo be furu dua na afiri ne nkomu ambesi na se a de misra omo kusa se they say abwafia na moto say abwafia friend say oha o si afiri dua se na furu enti oha otu afiri dua bi so kura akodua foforo so a obaba besi second one no besi from no free from more for akoso so enti se na se bia wo free from more beda fu ko fro bia nko mu na hu se obi si da na se me boda no so ansan ma besi a o me ahwehwe ni na yi mu kaka One pen chance mra na me mo dan so ansa no mabisia na odi good years said no mumisa because media me hu no wo saa de no mu ni say MPP wo man kasa wo mo nhwe wo man bakosem on said 1992 first election I told no man no no na ye che election no mienu November ye presidential November ne abeye parliamentary so December enti ye to November no Dr. Professor Duboahe odi ncho no so nya 30 something percent Ena ye free ho aba December abeto aba no MPP force dabi udi kan to presidential san no aba parliamentary say wo pe kwaye wiem enti empene so eno na ma wo mo boycott no ba yo because ya koto ya to ama Rollins ya wunya wie no na say wo kwa akoto parliamentary obi abe na je so pese okọ Rollins afa enti wa hwe ya wo supporters ni nyina beto ama Rollins ni parliamentary candidates eno na MPP gina so ye boycott no wow enti se na mpanifo bi abe sori wo MPP no na mo si yenye no saa na internally ade a mo si nationwide no mo mpene sokora anti mo forso ya ma 96 yasisa mu ede ayi no mienu nyina boom no Kokowe Electoral Commission records say when the suggest say yamfa abato parliamentary and presidential no mum enti saa ba bia presidential no be ko bia no parliamentary no ebetwe parliamentary no de ati Kokowe we say MPP and the saa suggest no ba na adesa ndabe na nkwanta ire no mo mi sa je ba ipade Debi muna mudi ba ena sisi ano mo sa kwa besi akire se de na ye di ka ye no a mo se mo mpre mo yire ya boy to ogu no se no na ye afi na mo kofa aba abeye no wo mo party mu ba mo se mo ba ya na ba the beauty fa bere se sa na tie oh say 2028 or far away afi ya beja kunya ye tutu niema o pesa wo ye said kane no ye kwafu mu a bo bayire apesi hwie ogubode aha so enti ye na ye nkwala wo ye akwala ne asensene praye bia mo papa bia mo nti wo didi a wo na usa wo nua no mu nti ye se Why back all dinner, so the pan no back who said me, we are no maybe. Said the poor Percy, said the bear, when you are no man penny for no woman now. There they are, sir. First things first, you focus on delivering our mandate. And the Bema NDC, why are corner? Na say, oh, copria could be our NDC no more. What to me, anya nyina so. Na say, nyame mfasa ama. Se President ya mamu, President Mahama mamui, edu babi na ye kohwie egu poto na beche iba umianom de no a. Ye de fa bere chesi ukura obedwane. Enti ye concentration sabre and say we must make sure say aban we ebe society. Now the danger in sa we na me ne say ankanya de bone but edi utrimu na edi party for trimu na omo fa adwen say we osi owi obeyesi we osi owi obeyesi ya ahwa ebetimi affect unity a mo de beta president na chi ama abai na yeye no ana party full soldiers no adwuma bi wo ho a ese wo ye na wo ya de obeye bia ye be interpret say wo ye de akwa achieve bibibi enti ye be ma amamu onumu aye den ama ya bai no enti me de me fi say politician bia no ambition politics no enunti no enye prudent say ube rule out any position in politics. Okay. But bibia on the timing. We had the right thing cry at the wrong time. Ube create problem for yourself and the system you represent. Enti a bit distracting them baby. Enti no in the message newspaper publications near the day. Ninyina my trimu ye why not? Adwuma wo ye say o manfo ka say ade we fatawa. Say ma trimu ye ode. But as say ye this trimu de no e ko ye adwuma num say de be ye abai no be succeed rather than say e be detract ye. Wo mo be ha ni giri say the AC wo MPP mu. Amanfo benya ya tiafo no bebre benya na nka obeti enakra me hu mo people me betra ha ye dem photo ni Julius Debra photo abeto to ha say no me hu people bi wo ha sesia e de photo atoto ho say NDC race is also hit up now. What did they want to achieve? Person mo achieve say Chira Michelle Debra wo me no na be contest we chief of staff for o ye kura you need not like I also party meeting from member. Measure say the AC will people maybe appreciated. I don't think I mean, mother said no now, money to a mother.
So what Europe and as America was in this Kadiaba Ghana, they send with money transfer no and I make count for a day amount. Send network banner use you wait me a day ascend it. So send a day a good mobile money wallet and as a bank account so a day many per chrono wait to me a day ascend it. Now I was any just a first transaction no ubena a year $20 free. The answer will be using a promo code JSXM2 and a desk screen so offer or first transaction ubena a year $20 free. Meeting the Atre Bruni. Yalan Media Ghana.